Yay, you're almost there. This is step 6, yellow cross with matching middles. So you have the white bottom, you have first 2 layers solved, and you have a yellow cross. Now you want to get matching middles. So the first thing you should do, still holding white on the bottom this whole time, you want to look to see if you already have matching middles. So I'm looking right here and I see like blue and red. These middles don't match, green and orange, don't match. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this top layer just to see if I can get some matching middles. Okay, so here I have my yellow cross and here are my green matching middles, orange matching middles, blue matching middles, and red matching middles. So in this one, I just lucked out and I already have matching middles. So I can go ahead and put this aside and I'm ready to go on to the next step because I already have matching middles. If you don't already have matching middles, let's find a new example. So again, white bottom, first 2 layers, and yellow cross. This one actually has the whole yellow top solved, but that is just an accident. Like the cube isn't solved yet. So like these corner pieces and maybe even the middle pieces are in the wrong spot. So even though it looks like my yellow is solved, the cube isn't actually solved. So we're gonna go on to the next step and we're looking for matching middles. So here I have orange matching middles. These ones aren't matching. These are not matching, and these are not matching. So it looks like I only have 1 matching middle. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this and see if I can get 2 matching middles, because what you really want is 2 matching middles next to each other. So these 2 are not matching. Okay, so here's a blue matching middle and a red matching middle, and they are next to each other, and that is exactly what we want. That is the ideal situation. So I have a red matching middle and a blue matching middle, and they're right next to each other. So I'm going to hold my cube like this so that my matching middles are right here and right here. So like towards the right side of the cube and in the back of the cube. So here's my matching middle, blue and red, and I want the matching middles, if they're next to each other, to be on the right and the back side of the cube. So if you look at it like an aerial view, these would be my matching middles. Okay, and then I'm going to do a new algorithm called Assoon. And I wrote out the steps of Assoon here. This is this little dash means R prime, U, R, U prime, U prime, R prime. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what those are now. So R is just, you move the right side of the cube up. That's what an R move is. And R prime is you move the right side of the cube down. So if it says R, you're just going to move the right side of the cube up. If it says R prime, you're just going to move the right side of the cube down. If it says L, you're going to move the left side of the cube up. And if it says L prime, you're going to move the left side of the cube down. Again, L, left side of the cube up. L prime, left side of the cube down. If it says U, that stands for upper. And I'm going to turn this upper layer to the left like this. And if it says U prime, I'm going to turn the upper layer back to the right like this. So if it says U, I'm turning the upper layer like this. And if it says U prime, I'm turning the upper layer back like that. Okay, so we have our matching middles on the right side and the back side of the cube. If you look at it in an aerial view like this, this would be where my matching middles are. You're crashing my video.
What video?
Cube solving video.
Oh, that's crazy.
Okay, so then we're going to do Assoon. If you look at your note sheet. So Assoon is, I'm going to move, it's an R, U, so upper to the left, R prime, so I'm going to bring the right side down. Then U again, so upper to the left, R, U prime, so I'm going to move the upper layer to the left, and then another U prime, and then R prime, so bringing that right side down. So I still have my solved bottom, and I still have my first 2 layers solved. And now I'm going to see if the middles match up. They don't, but if I turn the top layer to try to get them to match up, you'll see they all match up. And I'm ready to move on to the next step. My cross is solved and all my middles are matching. Now we're going to do a case if you don't have matching middles next to each other. So here I have a matching middle right here. My blue is matching, orange and red not matching, green is matching, and these are not matching. So my matching middles are across from each other. They're right here. No matter how I turn this upper layer, they're not going to be next to each other. They're across from each other. So it doesn't matter how you hold the cube as long as white's on the bottom. So you're just going to do a soon. You can hold the cube however you want. It doesn't matter where your matching middles are. So again, for the soon, soon it is an R, right side up, U, R prime, right side down, U, upper, R, right side up, U prime, and then R prime. And now I should have, let's see, I have two matching middles next to each other. So here's my matching middle and here's my matching middle. These are still not matching. So my matching middles are here and here, exactly where I want them. And I'm going to do another soon, just making sure my matching middles are held in the right spot. So I have to do a soon one more time, and then I should have all matching middles. R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, U prime, R prime. And they don't look matching right now, but if you just turn the top layer until they're matching, orange matching, blue matching, red matching, green matching, I still have a cross and I have all matching middles. So I'm ready to move on to the next step.